recently chased my tail for a while on an error I was getting when I ran my Laravel Dusk tests. The error was coming from Symfony. It was a process signaled exception, and it said that the process had been signaled with signal 11. The TLDR for what my problem was I had an infinite loop in one of my factories. You can see it here currently. I'm in my note factory, and for one of my columns, as part of my definition, I try to create another note. Well, this causes a problem because every time it creates a note, it creates another note, that creates another note, and there's the infinite loop until eventually it crashes, and that is the error that we're seeing when we try to run my Dust tests. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I chased my tail for a while when troubleshooting this, especially with AI chat programs. It was very focused heavily on there's something being wrong with Chrome or the Chromedriver itself. And this makes sense. Signal 11 is a segmentation fault. It means that a process crashed at the operating system level. So in Dusk's case, Symfony launches Chrome as a child process, and if Chrome crashes, you get this exception. And technically Chrome was crashing, but the browser itself wasn't the root cause, it was my code. And in my case, to fix the code, I just needed to make sure that I wasn't trying to create a new note as part of my note definition. So I just set related to null to begin with, and then I created a factory state that would be responsible for setting the related field, and there it could create another note instance. All right, so that way, when this second note instance is created, because it doesn't have the has related state, it's not going to try to trigger another note, and we're not going to get that endless loop. So the takeaway here is just that if you encounter the process signaled exception with signal 11 when running your Dusk tests, it may be a Chrome or Chromedriver issue, but don't stop there. Don't assume that it is that. It could be something else within your code, some sort of infinite loop or memory explosion somewhere.